Donald Trump says gold is better than cold, hard cash. Donald Trump is renting out the 50th floor of 40 Wall Street for 10 years to APMEX, American Precious Metals Exchange, and accepting three 32-ounce gold bars as a security deposit.
Well, sadly, we all know what's happening to the dollar. The dollar is going down, and it's not a pretty picture, and it's not being sustained by proper policy and proper thinking. This was an opportunity, and maybe an opportunity to show people what's happening with the dollar so that we can do something about it.
Michael Haynes, CEO of APMEX, is the mastermind who hatched this plan.
To us, cash, gold, they're basically the same asset. As we were negotiating this, we went to Mr. Trump, who I think is a very smart guy, and we presented him with some data, and you just heard him speak and say, it didn't take me very long to say, yes, I want the gold instead of the cash.
Are you trying to line up any more deals like this?
Well, as
personal or professional?
Well, as we continue to expand our footprint here in New York, we're planning on taking some more space, hopefully, as our business continues to grow and we expand around the globe. And as we take on more obligations there, perhaps we'll be required to give more gold as a security deposit.
Mr. Trump is also ready to keep doing business in gold.
I never thought this would happen. This is the first time it's actually happened, and maybe it's going to set a trend.
A trend that would turn gold from just a safe haven investment and into a viable business alternative to the U.S. dollar.